We've really added quite a bit of graphics to the gallery in response to feedback. You'll find that we now have 4 separate folders in the Clipart folder, one holding Clipart, another with covers, headers for the top of panel pages, and paper textures. In particular, in the Clipart, it's the same organization as we had in previous years, but we've added quite a bit. You'll find a great deal more in the way of religion, for example. There's a lot of demand for this style of graphic, and so it's all there. You simply drag it off the gallery onto a page and you're good. There's a lot more elementary school themed stuff as well. Just go and find stuff, some of which was previous in last year, some of which is new to this year, but we've added hundreds and hundreds of pieces of clip art. You'll also find a series of covers, and these are all new. Of course they need to be applied to a cover page, and so I'll create a new blank cover sheet, and then back in the gallery I'll choose, let's say in the elementary section, let's go with this one. I'll just drag it and drop it to the outside, and it will be dragged and downloaded and applied to the background of the entire page. And if you want to try a different one out, then just let's go with this one, drag and drop it, and it will be applied as the background, and then you're free to add, for example, the school name like this, and so on. These are just graphics, and so if you decide that you like it and want to use it as a regular frame, that's fine. For example, that was just downloaded and applied as a graphic, which is within a frame, and so on. When you're working in pages that you want to label, first grade, second grade, and so on, so let's just add a blank side, perhaps put a paper texture into the background. You can put a label at the top of the page, what we refer to as a header, so I'll just use that paper, and then we'll go back into the gallery and navigate up to find headers. So there's a lot of these. For example, going into School Spirit, we'll see dozens and dozens. I'll just use this one. It gets downloaded and you can position it and resize it as you like. And there are a huge number of these things in all sorts of different styles, all sorts of different grades, from elementary all the way up. This one looks like it says faculty. But you'll find some themed after movies, suitable for high schools and kids. Here's some of the movie ones. So for example, here's a fairly recognizable 6th grade look like that. So they're all there in the gallery, free to use. And then finally, we also have a whole new set of papers. Textures, books, and so on. So we can go in and you'll find a lot of bordered images. So if you drag them to the page, they become images, but if you drag them off to the gray area outside everything like this, then they wind up framing the page like that, giving you lots of room to create things on the inside. So it's a much more complete collection of graphics and embellishments, headers, clip art, and so on. Enjoy!